Basic English versus Advanced English. One, happy, euphoric. Two, good, admirable. Three, fast, swift. Four, big, substantial. Five, bad, deplorable. Let's see how the words works. 1. Happy, euphoric, extremely happy and excited. Here is the example. She was euphoric when she received the Oscar. 2. Good, admirable, deserving, respect or approval. Example. He has one admirable quality. He is totally honest. 3. Fast, swift, able to move at great speed or happening within a very short time. Fast or quick. Example. Thank you for your swift reply. 4. Big, substantial, large in size, value, or importance. Example. He took a substantial amount of money. 5. Bad, deplorable, deserving strong condemnation, or very bad. Example. I thought his behavior was absolutely deplorable. Basic English versus Advanced English. 6. Walk, ambulate. 7. Eat, consume. 8. Run, sprint. 9. Sleep, slumber. 10. Talk, converse. 6. Walk, ambulate, about move, or walk. Example. He was singing when he was ambulating. 7. Eat, consume, eat, drink, or ingest food or drink. Example. People consume a good deal of sugar and drinks. 8. Run, sprint, run at full speed over a short distance. Example. I saw Charlie sprinting through the traffic toward me. 9. Sleep, slumber, just sleep. Example. I fell into a gentle slumber. 10. Talk, converse. To have a conversation with someone. Example: she likes to converse with people from all walks of life. Basic English versus Advanced English. 11. Read, peruse. 12. Write, compose. 13. See, behold. 14. Hear, listen. 15. Love, adore. 11. Read, peruse. To read something in a relaxed way, and also mean to read carefully in a detailed way. Example: he opened a book and began to peruse the stories. "12. Write, compose, write, or create a work of art, especially music or poetry." Example: my lawyer is going to compose a letter of complaint. "13. See, behold, to see, or look at someone or something. Example: the botanical gardens were a wonder to behold. 14. Hear, listen, to give attention to someone or something in order to hear him, her, or it. Example: she does all the talking. I just sit and listen. "15. Love, adore. To love and respect someone very much, or to like something very much. Example: he absolutely adores his wife. Thank you for watching. Keep in touch to get more English words. Like and subscribe to our channel.